On this episode of DIY, installing an Oatey vent cap protects your 4-inch or 3-inch PVC or cast iron vent cap. We're pulling up to a house right now. We're going to install this here because the homeowner said they got some leaks coming in around the cap. I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish, how easy it is, and how simple you can do it yourself. DIY Saturday project. Alright, so on this episode of DIY, do-it-yourself, Oatey roof vent cap installation, we're going to show you how simple it is to install this that you can find on Amazon in a link description down below. All you need is a lot of tools, drills, screwdrivers, tool belt, and then let's go up on the roof and I'll show you how to start to finish installation of the roof vent cap. Once you got your ladder set up, make sure you have all your safety equipment in place. That's a safety harness, safety lanyard, and everything so you can secure yourself up on the roof and be safe at all times. This is a good time to point out that OSHA allows from transition to the ladder to the roof to be unharnessed, at which point you need to set your harness up and be safe so you don't fall off. Anything above 6 feet, you need a safety harness. Make sure you check it out, get a safety harness, learn how to use it, and be safe when you do it. So at this point, now that you're in the area you're going to be working on, take your lanyard hook here and just throw it up over the roof ridge over there so you're secure. Then at that point, you're going to take the clip here, and you're going to clip it into your safety harness so you're safe. It's a pain in the butt. There, now you're safe to go. Now, at that point, you take this Oatey roof vent cap, which this here is a 4-inch cast iron pipe. The problem you run into is water running into and leaking around the pipe. Also, it runs in around here, or leaves and helicopter debris fly into the roof cap, which cause it to clog, at which point, when you flush your toilets, the water cannot suck air behind it, and it causes your P-traps to suck dry, so you get that sulfury egg smell in your house. You don't want that. That's why you install this beautifully designed roof vent cap that has these tools here, which you'll simply place over the roof pipe, which vents around it. Now, here's the tricky part. Make sure you bring lots of tools. I mean lots of tools. Drills, screwdrivers, wrenches, and everything. Because you don't know what they're gonna need. Sometimes they're 1/4 inch, sometimes they're 5/16, sometimes they're fill up, sometimes they're common. Just bring a lot of them. You're gonna do yourself a favor. Center it over the pipe vent here. Secure it, make sure it's right. I mean, it could be crooked. Get it up there just like it needs to be. Oh, damn. I don't have the right one here. Nor those. That's obviously big. This one's big. Where's this other one here? Oh, shit!
So I found this product on Amazon by Grand Easy Products. It's no tools required, so let's try it out. Alright.
Give a shout out to my nephew back here, Jackson Fupa, and my brother Rod over here for giving me some help in this video, shooting it for you guys and drawing some awareness to the problem with the Oatey or Oatey, however you pronounce it, the roof caps and pipe boots, things that they make. It's a big company on the market, but there's a big problem in that typical installation of a roof vent cap. I had that problem, so I wanted to come up with a new solution to it, and I designed it for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's valuable, not having tools and have to fiddle around your roof and put your life in danger. Please just comment below, let me know what you think.